You're welcome to my video today. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to format your work, the paragraph of your work, how to format it and get it ready for printing in a more professional way. Sometimes people divulge confidential information because they need an expert to touch their work so that it's going to come out looking professional. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And this is a video series I've been making how to use the Microsoft Word, beginning from the home menu. Okay, I've also talked about the file menu, and now we are on the home menu. So this is a continuation video. Those who wish to be computer literate can also check the other videos I've made previously. It's going to guide them as you watch the videos and you watch this. It's going to help you to follow up. So if you like what I'm doing and you want to see other videos I will be posting, you please do well to subscribe, share my video, and also make comments on the video. You'll be seeing the notification whenever I upload videos here. So I want to go right into the video for today. So talking about the home menu of the Microsoft Word, we have already talked about, I've talked about how to use the clipboard, how to use the font, and today I'm going to be talking about how to use the paragraph. So the paragraph, that's what I'm going to be talking about, how to do it. So if you look at the screen very well, you are going to see paragraph. It is in a segment. It's part of the home menu. You get it from the home menu. So you are going to see how this is going to help you, how to apply all the features here in what you do. So let me begin with showing you this first point, bullets and numbering, what they do. They are mostly used on items such as this, what you are seeing now on the screen. We want to number them, and you don't want 1 2 3, or you don't want A B C D, so you can go for bullets. When you click the drop down arrow, you can see varieties of bullets. Anyone you point at, it's going to show you what it is. And if you click on any of them, here it is. It's going to give you that. But you then decide to change it to maybe 1 2 3. You can click this drop down. If you click none, it's going to return to the how it was when you typed it without any number. If you choose this one, it's going to give you 1 2 3 with dots. 1 2 3 with dots. And if you choose this, it's going to give you 1 2 3 with bracket closing. Then you decide to choose this, it's going to give you capital letters of the Roman figure. If you use this, the A, B, C, D with dots. If you use this, the lowercase A, B, C, D with bracket close. The same thing applies to the other ones. So let's say I've chosen this. I click on it and it stays. So now let's talk about how to, okay, this one is also the multi-level listing. It's also a way of making your listings. Also, you can check them one after the other. So then you coming to this level. This one, decrease indent, increase indent. This helps you to move your paragraph away from the margin or closer to the margin. So let's try this. As I click on this, it moves away from the margin, and you click this, it returns it closer. to the margin. And then if you notice here, this thing is not arranged in alphabetical order. So we are going to arrange these names in alphabetical order. So that is what this does. It's called sort. So if I click, you go ahead to click on sort, it opens this box. Here in this box, we go straight to ascending and descending. If you leave it at ascending and click OK, it's going to automatically arrange this alphabetically, giving you the the A will begin it, followed by B, that's alphabetical order. So let's try it out and see. Automatically, it has arranged alphabetically. So let's go to the next point. This one gives you paragraph marks. So you click it, it gives you paragraph marks. Most people don't use them. So we go to this. Let me show you this. Okay, so if you look at this work is properly arranged. Properly arranged. If you check the left margin, it is very neat. Then you check the right margin, it is also very neat. So how do we achieve that? Let me show you how you can do just that. We have to first select what we want to arrange. Okay, let's get it to this point. Having selected this, back to home, paragraph. Under paragraph, we have align left, align center. So I'm going to click on the align center. You see, everything is centralized. Everything here is centralized. But then I take it to align left. If you take it to align left, you see that the left hand side is properly aligned. They are straight. But the right hand side is not properly aligned. They are not straight. They look jaga jaga. So how are we going to do it to correct it so that everything is going to look perfectly neat in order? So what we're going to do, still from the home menu, okay, suppose before that we go to align right. Let's see, align right. It appears that the right hand side of what we have on the screen is properly aligned, whereas the right hand side is not properly aligned. So I'm going to undo. So what we need to do to align everything properly, we are going to do a justification. And look at this, justify. So once you have selected the area you want to justify, you click on justify. Everything will be properly aligned. Justify helps you to align both the right and the left in the proper way. Everything will be properly aligned. So the next thing I want you to learn from here is sometimes you have a document and you don't want it to exceed a particular page numbering. Okay, I'm going to give this a page number. That's not what we're doing, but I'm going to give it a page number so that it's going to guide us in what we do right now. Okay, we have the page numbers. So how many pages? Let's check. 4 pages, but you notice that some items are still has still gone to the 5th page, and we want everything to be in 4 pages, so we're going to select everything. We select everything we are working with. So how are we going to do this? Suppose you don't want to touch the font size, you don't want to touch the font style or the font size, yet, and you don't want to change the margin, you don't want to adjust the margin. So how are you going to do this? This is going to help you. The line and paragraph spacing, you can space the paragraph a bit, even if maybe you want it to be a single line spacing or double line spacing, you can adjust the spacing a little so that it's going to give you exactly what you want. So let's try this out. Let's see single line spacing. If you put it as single line spacing, everything has entered. So let me still show you other things about it. It is in single. If you click on 1.15, it increases it a little bit to 5. You click it, you push it to 1.5, 2.5, and the rest. You can also click on remove space after paragraph. It saves more line spacings for you. So that is what you need to do as you arrange your work. Then talking about this, the shading, it colors the background of the characters. That's all it does. So let's see what it does. And you have to select before it does the job for you, coloring the background of your characters. I don't know what people use it for. I don't use it myself, but it's good you know such a thing that it exists. So this one, borders, border. How do you use the border? We have page border. We also have the border. So let me show you how you can use that border right now. Suppose you want, let's say you have all these borders here. You have drawn a table, you've drawn a table, and you want to apply that border, you want to work on the border. You can select the table that you have drawn, come to border. You can manipulate the table. You see where I am, right border. If you click on the right border, you have, oh, no borders, sorry, no borders. There is table there. You are going to do your work on that table. You're going to do your work on the table, but the lines will not be there. But if you go to the border, select all borders, it gives you the line. This helps you to manipulate your table. But there's one I use more frequently, and that is the page border. I make good use of it. So we're going to go ahead to delete this border that we have here. This is how our border is. To delete it, you right click on it and click on delete table. So I'm going to insert a page border. That's the one I use more often, especially if you want to make what's it called, the first page. You want to design your first page as a cover page. You can use this, the page border. This is how it's going to appear. That's the preview. You can use this, click OK. Let's go back to page border. And one other thing is, if you apply to whole document, all the pages will have that border, but you can select first page only. If you select first page only and click on this, click on OK, it's going to apply to just the first page. The second page is not going to have it. There are other beautiful designs of the page border. Page border. So let's look at the art. There are designs. These are designs you can use. Let's use this. See what it gives you. It's much better. So that is what you need to know about the paragraph section of the Microsoft Word, the home menu in Microsoft Word. For more tips, please subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel so that you'll be getting notifications when I upload the video, and share the video to any other person you know who is interested in learning. And if you are interested in learning a computer real time, we are also offering a free computer course to people, especially now. And this course is beginning, the second cohort is beginning on Thursday, the 3rd of September 2025. So you can join, you can make comment on the video that you want to join, and we are going to send you the link, the registration link, and also give you subsequent directives on what to do in order to join our class, our free class. The class is going to help you. It's going to run for over 2 months. So it's going to help you to be better equipped to use your computer. That computer you have there, you have to start using it the right way. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.